Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Welcome to another edition of Scientifics, where we bring you this week's top science stories from across the globe. Scientists have confirmed the existence of an Earth-sized planet around the closest star to our solar system, Proxima Centauri. The planet, named Proxima b, has a mass equivalent of 1.17 Earths and orbits its star every 11.2 days. It is located in the habitable zone of the star. Proxima b was first detected 4 years ago when scientists measured a low disturbance in the star's speed, suggesting the presence of a companion cosmic body. The star Proxima Centauri is 4.2 light-years from the Sun. Proxima b possibly has surface temperatures similar to that of the Earth, raising hopes that the planet could harbor life. However, there is time before it can be established whether or not the planet can host life. A mass extinction event that wiped out much of the planet's plant and freshwater aquatic life 359 million years ago was caused because of the ozone layer breaking down briefly. Apart from the mass extinction event caused by an asteroid hitting Earth 66 million years ago, an event that killed the dinosaurs, 3 other such events have been thought to be a result of large-scale volcanic eruptions that destabilized the Earth's atmosphere and oceans. Scientists have now found that high levels of UV radiation led to the collapse of forests and ecosystems and killed off many species of fish and tetrapods 359 million years ago. This damaging burst of UV radiation occurred as a part of one of the Earth's climate cycles rather than being caused by a huge volcanic eruption. According to the researchers, the findings have profound implications today as the climate crisis had led to the thinning of ozone layer that shields the Earth from damaging ultraviolet radiation. Ongoing environmental changes as a result of global heating and climate crisis are transforming forests worldwide, causing the trees to grow shorter and live less longer. An analysis of 150 previous studies has shown. Increased heat and carbon dioxide levels have made events like wildfires, droughts, and other natural disasters more frequent and severe. These changes are likely to have a huge impact, such as further accelerating of the climate change and threatening the plant's biodiversity. Researchers have also found that the globally average tree size has declined over the last century and is likely to continue declining due to environmental changes. Scientists have discovered the fossilized remains of a nursery area of the great white shark in several sites along the Pacific coast of Chile and Peru, dating back to over 2 to 5 million years ago. The great white shark is on the brink of extinction due to its very slow growth and late reproduction, with only few offspring, along with disturbances due to human activities. Young white sharks take birth in designated nurseries where they can be protected from other predators until they grow into adults. Better understanding and protecting such nurseries could be key in preventing the extinction of the marine predator. This paleo nursery was active at a time when the climate was much warmer than today, so researchers are considering it to be a window into how global warming may be affecting present-day nurseries. This is Mohana Basu for The Print. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates.